What is shocking right now? You can build AI agents without any code, and even if you're an absolute beginner. I'm going to say something that will surprise and maybe insult a lot of the AI coaches. You don't need to write a single line of code to build an agent. Here's how it works. An AI agent needs three things: a goal, some tools, and the most important, a brain. The brain is already built, which is the AI model. The tools are already available: search, email, calendar, documents. Your only job is to write the goal in plain English. Find me 10 potential customers in the education space and draft an outreach email for each. That's it. That's the agent instruction. No code, no developer, just a clear sentence. The AI agent reads that, breaks it into steps, and executes. That is not the future. That is working today. If you're not using AI agents, then you're doing the work an agent could do for you. Follow to learn more and to set up this week. And if you're interested, then comment AI. I'll send you the link to my masterclass with a full guarantee. And if you don't build something in 2 hours, then you have a complete money back. Thank you.